It's not so hot today. It's okay, and it's 9:44 a.m. I'm going to the gym. So Hare Krishna again. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a normal video, a normal vlog of mine. In my previous few videos, you can see my trip vlogs, trip diaries, and now here I am with a normal vlog. After a few weeks, you'll get to see my exam vlog. So I hope you'll be updated. So I'll mostly be posting my vlogs or any short videos or any vlogs of mine on Saturday. So please be updated and please check out my vlogs. And I'll probably be uploading my vlogs around 3:30 a.m. IST. So please stay tuned. So coming to this vlog, a day in the gym vlog is very special to me because when it comes to my physical health, I have been very conscious about how I feel. So I just hope and see this vlog as an opportunity to talk about how I actually feel about physical health or physical appearance. So coming back to my life, in my childhood, I was usually this lean girl, and I was very healthy, very active with my co-curricular activities, and I was this kho player, and if any of my school mates are watching this, they'll know what I'm actually talking about. So coming down to 10 years, there's a lot of change in me and the decisions I've taken in my life. So I think during my 9th grade itself, concentrating on my physical activity or physical health had become less. And I really suggest parents to, if there are any watching now, so I really suggest parents who are watching now that they really make sure that the kid is consistent with the physical activities if they are really into it, or if they're not, I hope they make sure that this child really concentrates more on physical activities, because the drastic change it gives you in your body really makes a lot of difference health wise. So in my case, and in fact I've seen some of my friends as well who are going through this issue with their physical body, that I think it was during the lockdown that people have been affected with their routine or with their bodily metabolism. So I feel people should really look on to their body activity, physical activities. So during the lockdown, I was just idle sitting in a place, since I was actually preparing for my entrance exams as well. So I feel it has affected me a lot. And the people who are really very close to me know how much it has affected me with my physical health as well. So I really feel people should be aware of what's happening in their body. In my example, there was a point where I couldn't even sleep during the night, and I would go back to sleep in the morning during after 6 a.m. while everybody at my house, they would wake up at that time. So it's really very important on your daily routine and metabolism as well. It's really very effective. So pampering your body, doing a lot of exercise, and keeping your body active and keeping it active really will help you with your body metabolism, is what I feel. So this is a very special video for me as well, and I'm not really showing anybody on how to do any kind of exercise. I'm here to actually talk about the importance of keeping your body active and keeping it very healthy. So your body is your home, so it really matters how much you're taking care of it and how much you're really giving it time, because at the end of the day, your mental health is also relying on your physical body in a way. So in my own experience, as I was talking about, in my childhood, I was a very active kid, and then it really decreased in the years passing by. And during my 9th or 10th, I literally stopped all my activities. Like I used to be a Coco player, and I used to be regular with my physical activities or sports or games, but then it really reduced over time. And I realized, I think those were the years, like around my 9th grade and later, were the years I had to really take care of my body. And that was the age I literally didn't realize it. And by the time I realized the effect, it was very late for me, is what I feel. And it also affects you and your personality in a way. It might be very bothering, and it might just take over you. So in many cases, there are girls who feel very underconfident, and I feel, this phase of mine actually showed me how people change. In fact, when I was lean and back in my school days, I had a lot of friends who were very kind enough and who spoke well and all that. And gradually I understood, when you gain weight or you look in a certain way, people really make sure that their behavior basically depends on your physical appearance. This is one of my experiences, and I got to know who are my real friends and who are just there for, this might be partially true for some of them, but it really affects a lot of people. So it's really very important on how you maintain your physical health. So again, reminding everyone to please stay fit, fine and healthy, not only for yourself but your family as well. And that's it for the video. So please come back for more such talks and videos. Hare Krishna.